Hi guys, so if you are someone who's obsessed with anti-aging skincare, then you're gonna absolutely love this product. This is called HA5 Rejuvenating Hydrator. Hi guys, so if you are someone who's obsessed with anti-aging skincare, then you're gonna absolutely love this product. This is called HA5 Rejuvenating Hydrator. Sounds very long and technical, but guys, this is just like a moisturizer, just like any other moisturizer. I don't know, I picked up like a very small sample, so this looks like a travel size pack, but like this is light and convenient to carry in my handbag and travel. But because this is supposed to be having 5 kinds of hyaluronic acid, and I think all of us know hyaluronic acid is the key. It's one of the top ingredients when it comes to anti-aging skincare industry, and this one does have 5 kinds, so it's supposed to be penetrating very well into the deep layers of skin and supposed to be giving you long-term benefits. So guys, if you're looking at a moisturizer hydrator to up your hydration game of the skin, but something which has fine ingredients might give you long-term benefits, as in over the long run you might see a visibly more radiant, vibrant skin, then this is something definitely you can consider. And guys, because this is anti-aging, this is supposed to be giving you improvements in your fine lines, wrinkles, and even uneven rough texture, but it does take time. So it's organic, you have to keep applying it at least for a few months. So using it is extremely simple. You just use it twice in a day. Take some on the back of your hand, dab all over face, neck. You might just come towards your chest area as well, and yeah, nicely massage it till the time it's penetrated into the surface of the skin. So guys, this says it's suitable for all skin types, and I absolutely love the smell. It's delicious. So guys, for those of you who are looking at switching to a new moisturizer, hydrator, or looking for an anti-aging moisturizer which is gonna give you multi benefits in the long run and hopefully improve your overall skin health and give you a visibly more beautiful skin, then HA5 by SkinMedica is something you can consider.